The best in automatic repair in Austin, Texas. A great 2007 Silverado 1500 with a 4L60 transmission 3 years warranty? A beautiful long-lasting rebuilt transmission for a 2012 Suburban with a 6L80. What about this new rebuilt transmission for a 2006 Pathfinder RE5R05A? A freshly rebuilt automatic transmission for a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500 45 RFE with a 1-year warranty. Look at this new rebuilt transmission for a 2010 Silverado 1500 6L80 with a 2 years warranty. A 1995 Dodge Ram 1500 A518 with a 6 months warranty. Another happy client who had his 2008 6L90 Silverado 2500 HD transmission rebuilt. 2007 6L90 Silverado 2500 HD with a 3 years warranty. 2007 Silverado 2500 HD 6L90 transmission ready to go to Elgin, Texas. Just completed rebuilding of this 2007 Chrysler 300 with a NAG1 Mercedes transmission. A 2004 4L60 transmission with a 2-year warranty. Send us a message at facebook.com/AutoDelNorte.